Hello, dear learners. I am again here with you with a new topic. Today, I am going to discuss on the topic elements of novel. Now, before discussing about the elements, I'd like to talk about what is a novel. A novel is a long narrative work of fiction with some realism which describes intimate human experiences. It is often in prose form and is published as a single book. According to the Shorter Oxford Dictionary, novel is a fictitious prose narrative of considerable length, means great length it has got, in which characters and actions representative of real life are portrayed in a plot of more or less complexity. The word novel has been derived from the Italian word novella, and which means new. Similar to short story, a novel has some elements like plot, character, setting, theme, conflict, etc. A novel presents a whole picture as compared to a short story. Means in a novel also we'll get chance to study a whole picture of a life or whole picture of characters, which displays only one aspect of life or one side of the story. The novel took birth in the 18th century as a literary genre, and it developed during that time. It has achieved the highest level of glory till now, means till 21st century. It has got a highest status in the field of literature. The authors, namely Daniel Defoe, Thomas Hardy, Samuel Richardson, Henry Fielding. Henry Fielding is considered as the father of English novel, and Charles Dickens contributed significantly to the development of English novel. Daniel Defoe is the founder of English novel who introduced the technique of realism in his adventurous novel Robinson Crusoe. Dear learners, if you find my video helpful to you, please click on the like button, ring the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Now I am going to discuss the elements of novel. Among the major elements, the first important element of the novel is setting. Setting is the background in which the story or a novel takes place. Means the story in a novel takes place. Time and location on that a story takes place. There are several aspects of setting. Place means geographical location. Where is the action of the story taking place? It might be some geographical situation or location. Time, historical period, or time of a day or year or month, it is elaborate in the section of time. When is the story taking place? Weather condition, the weather is rainy, sunny, stormy, etc. All these things are elaborate in setting. Similarly, social condition also comes under setting. What is the daily life of the characters like? Does the story contain local color? Writing that focuses on the speech, dress, mannerism, costumes, etc. of a particular place. Similarly, mood and atmosphere. What feeling is created at the beginning of the story? A cheerful or boring, monotonous, airy? What kind of situation or atmosphere does a novel have? These all points are discussed on the topic setting. Now, another major elements of a novel is character. It is a very important element of a novel. There are two meanings of character. Means the word character refers in two ways. A person who plays certain role in a novel or a fictional story, that is also character, and qualities of a person or feature of a person, that also denotes character. Character in a work of fiction can be protagonist and antagonist. Protagonist means the character who has positive role in a novel. Antagonist means the character who has some negative role. Protagonist clear center of story. All major events are important to this character. And antagonist means opposition or enemy of main character or protagonist. Characteristics of a character can be revealed through his or her physical appearance, what he says, thinks, feels, dreams, and what he does or does not do. What others say about him, her, and how others reacted to him or her, that is the characteristic of a particular character. Now, I am going to discuss the point of view of a novel, which is also one of the important element of a novel. Point of view refers to what is telling or narrating a story. To be more specific, a story can be told from the first person, second person, or third person point of view. First person narrator, which is also called first person point of view, story told by the protagonist or the main hero or a character who interacts closely with the protagonist or other characters. Speaker uses the pronouns I, me, we. In this first person narrative, readers experiences the story through this person's eyes, means first person's narrator's eyes, and only knows what he or she knows and feels. Second person narrator. A story told by a narrator who addresses the reader with the term you. Speaker uses pronoun you, your, and yours in second person narration. Third person narrator. A story told by a narrator who sees all the action. Speaker uses the pronoun he, she, it, they, his, hers, its, and theirs. This person may be a character in the story. Now, conflict. Conflict means the struggle between opposing forces in the story, means struggle between positive force and opposite force, protagonist and antagonist. Opposite force may be sometime a person or sometime maybe other aspect, other things like this, aspect of society or some negative forces as well. Conflict provides interest and suspense. There are various types of conflict. A struggle between or a conflict between two or more characters, a struggle between the main character and some aspect of society, a struggle of opposing forces within one character, and the force with which the protagonist is in conflict is called the antagonist. Antagonist may be a person or maybe society or maybe some other thing. Theme. Theme means the central idea in the story or a novel. It can usually be expressed in a short statement about human nature, life, or the universe. Or central message of particular novel or particular story or moral of the story, means at the end of the story or at the end of the novel, what message the author want to give or what we learn after reading that story or after reading that novel. That is the theme. And underlying meaning of a fictional piece. It might be a short story or it might be a novel, it might be drama, whatever else it might be. May be the author's thought on the topic or view of human nature. Now I am going to share you some examples of novel. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. It is a science fiction. It is one of the examples of a novel. Frankenstein, written in the 19th century by Mary Shelley, is one of the best science novels. It is a science fiction because it is based on scientific experiment. The story of a young scientist, Victor Frankenstein, who is the main character or protagonist of this novel, who is obsessed with the idea of creating life. As we know that creation is the work of nature. But here, Victor Frankenstein, who is a scientist, he challenged nature and he tried to create a life. He creates the creator, means he became able to create a life which he gave name a creature. And is revolted by his own experiment. But later what happened? The creature revolted against Frankenstein, against his master. The creature brings disaster in Victor Frankenstein life after he fails to give him a partner. And what happened at the end? That the creature destroyed Victor's life. Both Victor and the creature meet with a tragic end. And from this novel, we can get the message, or the theme is that we must not intervene the nature, or we must not challenge the nature, or we must not try to do the things that the nature does. Similarly, another example of a novel is The Old Man and the Sea. It is a best novel which is written by Ernest Hemingway, and for this novel, he was awarded by Nobel Prize as well. By He won Nobel Prize for Literature for this novel, Ernest Hemingway. A model of a realistic novel. This novel is a realistic novel. In this novel, The Old Man and the Sea present a grim story, means very much touchy story, sad story of an old man who is too fragile, means very weak, to go to fishing alone in the sea. He is poor and he had to earn his living by doing fishing. And he did his job. He went to sea to do fishing. However, after 3 days, means he attempted for 3 days, and he hooks, means he caught of huge marlin, a big fish. Although he kills marlin, by the end he loses it because sharks devour the fish. Though he became able to caught that fish, but he could not use it, or he could not take it in his house so that he could sell it and get some money, because sharks ate that fish. His extreme fight and his struggle win him sympathy from the readers. That's why this novel became the greatest novel. These two novels are the example of novels, and till now, till 21st century, there are many novels have been written, and now people enjoy to reading novel as well. Okay, now I would like to end my video over here. I'll come with a next new topic. Till then, thank you.